How to sign up for Binomo. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Trading for Beginners. If you are looking for a way to create a new account on Binomo, here's how you do it. First of all, launch open any web browser of your preference and in the URL box type in binomo.com and search. You'll then end up in this official website for Binomo. Go to the upper right corner and tap register. In the registration form, you can register or sign up using your existing Facebook account or your Google account. You can also sign up using email and password option. I'm just going to go ahead and enter the email and password. While entering an email, make sure that you have an email that you have an access to. And once you do that, head over to the password field and type in your password you want to create for your account. Now select your currency from the bottom and click on I accept box and finally click register. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to complete your registration and you have successfully created a new account. You'll be provided with a demo account. To practice trading, make sure that you are using the demo account so that you don't lose real money. Binomo is a binary options trading platform which involves a high risk of losing money. Make sure you understand the risk before depositing funds. So that's how you easily create a new account or finish registering for binomo.com. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.